I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a quick restore point and confirming Windows updates are current so you can roll back if needed. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter to get straight into hardware view. You need to locate display adapters and read the exact GPU model. This tells you whether to use Microsoft drivers or the manufacturer package. Make sure to note integrated versus discrete GPUs, because updating the wrong device can cause display loss. You right-click the GPU entry, choose Update Driver, and select Search automatically to let Windows fetch WHQL drivers quickly. If you already downloaded a manufacturer driver, choose Browse My Computer and point to that folder. This avoids generic drivers. Once the installer finishes, restart to finalize kernel-level changes and prevent conflicts. After reboot, reopen Device Manager and verify the driver version and date. This confirms the update applied correctly. You should also run the vendor updater, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD Adrenalin, or Intel Driver and Support Assistant to get optimized drivers and optional control panels. If the new driver causes instability, boot into safe mode, open Device Manager, and use Rollback Driver to revert to the previous version. This is faster than reinstalling Windows. If problems persist, use Display Driver Uninstaller to perform a clean uninstall. Then reinstall the vendor driver. That removes leftover files or registry entries that often cause repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.